In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make your Twitter account private. Now, if you want to hide your tweets from everyone, like only people who you accept will be able to see your tweets. Now, the first thing, of course, is to open your Twitter account. Now, after you are on your Twitter account, you wanna click your profile picture in the top left, okay? Now, after you open your profile picture, you wanna scroll down a little bit and click on settings and support. Now, after you click on settings and support, you want to click on settings and privacy. Now, a few different options will come up here. You want to click on privacy and safety. And you want to click, let me check this. You want to select the first option that says audience and tagging. You want to toggle on protect your tweets. It doesn't say make your Twitter account private, but it says protect your tweets. The same thing, guys. You just want to toggle this on, and that's exactly, guys, how you can make your Twitter account private. As you can see, only show your tweets to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each follower. That's what I said, guys, at the beginning. You have to accept their request before they can see your tweets. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next